Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Douwan Ios and signing into an account. This establishes your identity. Once done, grant permissions: camera, mic, photos, notifications, so core features work. Make sure you use stable Wi-Fi or 4G and charge above 20% to avoid interruptions during initial sync. You should also verify region settings if features differ by locale. These first actionable steps get you past friction points quickly and let the app fetch profiles, content, and personalized recommendations. You now create and engage. Open the dashboard and tap the plus icon to start a new post, choosing photo, video, or text. This controls which editor appears. Once inside, trim clips, apply filters, and add a clear caption with tags to reach the right audience. After that, choose privacy and either schedule or publish immediately. Scheduling ensures consistent posting. Finally, review in-app analytics to see impressions and adjust timing and content. This loop improves reach over time. You finish by confirming processing is complete, then share to other platforms or copy the link to distribute. Once live, manage interactions. Respond to comments, pin key replies, and update tags or descriptions to refresh visibility. If something fails, try the troubleshooting path. Clear the app cache, force quit and restart, then verify permissions in settings. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If problems persist, reinstall the app as a last resort, but backup drafts and account info first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.